Welcome class 5th students. Today all of you learn some MCQ questions of science. Chapter 1, Food, Health and Hygiene. Question 1. The variety of food that contains all the nutrients in right proportion is called. Options are healthy diet, balanced diet, fast food, qualitative food. All of you know that a diet that contains all the nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. So all of you tick option second. Question 2. Carbohydrates are energy giving food, but excess amount of carbohydrates causes. Options are perplexity, communicable diseases, obesity, healthy body. You know that excess amount of carbohydrate stored in the form of fat in our body, so it may cause obesity. All of you tick option third. Question 3. Proteins are options energy giving nutrients, body building nutrients, disease fighting nutrients, digestive nutrients. You know that proteins are needed for repairing and building body tissues. So all of you tick option second. Question 4. The nutrients that provide heat and energy are options fats, fibers, minerals, proteins. You know that fat gives heat and energy, so all of you tick option first. Question 5. Oranges, grapes and carrots are rich sources of options proteins, fibers, vitamins, water. All these are rich sources of vitamins, so all of you tick option third. Question 6. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D. Scurvy is a disease in which bleeding from skin may occur. It caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. So all of you tick option third. Now next question. Question 7. Rasi is suffering from goiter. She should be given a diet rich of options iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium. You know that abnormal enlargement of butterfly shaped gland below the thyroid is called goiter, and it is caused by the deficiency of iodine. So all of you tick option first. Question 8. Jaundice is caused by bacteria, virus, protozoa, insects. When we drink polluted water, many microorganisms like bacteria present in it. They cannot be seen with our naked eyes. It causes jaundice. So all of you tick option first, bacteria. Question 9. A dreaded disease caused by a virus, HIV, that attacks the immunity system is rickets, night blindness, AIDS, polio. AIDS is a communicable disease. It caused by HIV virus. So all of you tick AIDS. Option third. Question 10. Deficiency diseases are caused by, options are microorganism, lack of nutritious food, lack of medicines, lack of water. Deficiency diseases are non-communicable diseases caused due to the deficiency of nutrients in our food. So option second is right, lack of nutritious food. That's all.